At Bentley, we're committed to a carbon-neutral future. Our first all-electric car will be designed and built at our factory in Crewe, with a new electric model launched every year from 2025. And that's not all. All our UK retailers are now certified to carbon-neutral PAS 2060 standard by the Carbon Trust, reducing emissions throughout our business, with our whole global network soon to follow. Our factory in Crewe achieved this landmark in 2019 with up to 40% of its electricity provided by 30,815 solar panels and all our energy certified green. We've also boosted biodiversity at the site by introducing 2,600 plants and 300,000 flying bees. And these are just some of the steps we've taken on our journey towards the future of sustainable luxury motoring, leading the way to end-to-end carbon neutrality by 2030.